how to buy Fame AI token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that is found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token is available in CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address, it came under the Ethereum network. Now go and open your wallet from here. As you can see, I will use Bitget. Now select the Ethereum network from here and click on this plus icon. Paste the token address from here. As you can see, this is our token. And click on this plus icon. Go back to your wallet and find your token here on your wallet. As you can see, this is it. Just click on it. And after that, click on swap, switch it from here, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Type here how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive the token. Just click on buy and you will be able to buy it. So this is how to buy the Fame AI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.